Hello everybody, welcome to Craft a Story. It's Celeste here. I just finished this journal and just got it up on Etsy, so it's available there, and so it's a perfect time to do a flip through. It is a one signature journal, however I was able to squeeze quite a bit in here, and I have a closure that is going to grow with a journal. There's quite a bit of give, and you can put the adjust the button, move the button. So I'm going to take that off and do the flip through. Just get this off here. So this is not really a hardcover journal. It has a much thinner cover, but it is my Le Secret journal because of this little, what should I call it, decoration that I've put on the front. I have sewn blocks of fabric together to create the cover and have a beautiful backing with with lovely tassels and a charm, and of course some corner protectors. So just opening it up, this is some eco dyeing. This is one of the originals, eco dyeing with watercolor, that I did on a video a couple of weeks back. I don't remember the exact date, but a few weeks back. So there are going to be quite a few of my own collage, and mostly collage, and some paint projects that I did. Another one of my collage projects. There's quite a bit of writing space in this journal, see there, and then quite a few of these very big journaling cards as well, and more pockets, more of that eco dyed watercolor paper. This is also one of the originals that I cut up, a tag, and then I have this lovely flip through. I'm going to go up one, then down one and two. So quite a bit of writing space there. I'm not going to tie it up. I'll come back and tie it up later. Let's get this guy back just to save a bit of time. And then I've put a few of these little books in so that you can just extra writing space, extra journaling space. Quite a lot of these sentiments as well is in there. Another one of just a slightly different type of flip through, flip up, flip out, flip. This is done on some handmade paper that I did a few years ago, and I've got so much of it, so I'm starting to use it up. So this is hand pressed paper, hand dyed paper as well. Copies of some of my art, some original collage, and some of these lovely extra writing space, more flip outs, more pockets, and writing space. These papers are all hand painted or hand dyed, either coffee stained or hand painted. So that's all hand painted back there as well. It's a cute little tuck out. And then week before, I did some of these little concertina, or what do you call them? Not concertina, accordion, little fold outs. I'll come back for that as well. Here's a horizontal belly band with some writing space in a little card, more writing space in a very wide belly band, so that I could put this card, which is eco dyed paper, and it has a pocket in the front. So while this is a one signature journal, there's so much in here. I surprised myself, honestly. More pockets, more writing space, and lots of these little books. And I ironed in some of these gold accents that I I didn't know how to do and figured out eventually. More writing space, more pockets, more pockets. Some slip pockets, more little books, and writing space there. More of the little flip out cards, very large journal flip outs. And just a sentiment. This whole page is just a sentiment. It's all about the journey. And little belly with a pocket at the back. And then it's sort of full circle to the other side of this eco-dyed, watercolor eco-dyed paper. And just one last little pocket. And then the back of the book. So definitely a nice chunky journal. But soft cover, and there's a little bit of room to grow, and you have the closure that'll grow with it. Well, thank you very much for sticking around and flipping through this journal with me, and I hope that it's something that you like. Let me know if there's anything that caught your eye, and I will see you next time. Bye.